'Tis the season
for travel.
When planning your holiday travel, make sure you do what makes sense for you. I personally am not a big partier. Last year on New Year's, I was in bed asleep by the time the ball dropped, and by 5 a.m. the next morning, on a plane ready for my vacation.
Well, here are a few tips to help with your smooth holiday travel. Consult your work schedule. Take your coworkers' availability into account when planning for workload coverage. Make sure you put your time off requests in as early as possible so your superiors and your coworkers know when you'll be unavailable. Ooh, sorry, Mac. Looks like I put my time off first.
Check the schedules of anyone going with you. Consider any other scheduled events around the time, like parties, birthdays, recitals, etc. People have a lot of inherent expectations surrounding the holidays, so make sure your communication is open and clear.
If you and your loved ones have got packed calendars, we recommend celebrating early.
Ooh, like Christmas in July?
Not that early. For instance, my boyfriend works in the airline industry, so I know he's going to be working on the holidays themselves. So we have planned to celebrate outside of the holiday. It's a great way to stay connected with everybody who's got busy schedules. If you're traveling, don't forget to pack your gifts. If they'll fit. If they don't, consider picking something up at the destination itself. Or you could try mailing your gifts in advance. That is never a bad idea, and it is never too early to mail your gifts.
Book ahead to avoid increased pricing as the holiday season approaches. If traveling outside of your state, research peak travel days. You may be able to schedule your plans during lower traffic times.
When prepping for the airport, make sure that you mentally prepare yourself for long security lines and even longer days. Consider getting TSA PreCheck or global entry to speed things up. Also, don't forget to pack lots and lots of snacks. So that way you'll be prepared for everything. And self-care items too is a really good idea.
Don't let travel stress get you down. When challenges arise, pivot and make it a part of the adventure. Happy holidays! Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. We also feature monthly blogs on our website and mind-blowing hacks on our Instagram and TikTok accounts. From home organizing to move management and more, M2O has your back. We'll see you next time right here on M2O TV. Bye!